Hello everyone. If you are here, you are probably wondering how you can win a zombie mode in territorial.io, and there is only one way, and it is to have lots and lots of people playing. There is no other way, because the moment you start, they are all the zombies are going to attack you, and they are going to have the majority of the map. The only way to win is to have enough people playing so that you can conquer at least half the map, and that way you are going to be competitive and win, maybe, but in most cases you will not have any chance of winning because they just conquer so much of the map, and they attack, and you have no way of winning. I know you probably wanted to hear something different, like, yeah, there is this secret strategy that you can use to win, but no, in most situations, the zombies are gonna win, and there is very little that you can do about it. You are just going to lose. Sorry to break your dreams, but that is it. So, thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and the usual things. Bye bye.